Okay guys, so I'm back with an updated how to create a YouTube channel banner. So if you guys are interested, then of course continue watching. So of course you'll go ahead and go into PixArt. PixArt is free on the Android market. So next I will be going into my pictures and getting the YouTube banner template. You can find that on Google. You'll just type in YouTube channel banner template and you'll just download it to your phone. So now I'm going back in to choose my background. Backgrounds can be found on PixArt, or you can go to Google or Pinterest, anywhere like that. So now I am just going to be cropping this picture so it can fit into the channel banner, and that's what you guys see me doing here. It's pretty much self-explanatory. So I decided to add a border around my background, so you'll just go down to the bottom and go to border, and then you can choose whatever color you would like. So now it's time to go back in and add my pictures. You can add as many pictures as you would like. So that's what you see me doing here. And I also like to use a border around my pictures. So you would just go down to the bottom and press border, and you'll go in and you can choose whichever color you would like as your border around your picture. You can also go back in and add more borders around your pictures if you would like. And that's what you guys see me doing here. Go ahead and add some text to my background, and that's what you guys see me doing, and you can put whatever you would like. Of course, I am just putting my channel name. So now I'm choosing the color that I would like my name to be in, and this is very hard for me because you can choose from so many different colors. So you guys will just be seeing me play around until I find exactly what I like. So now I'm going back in just to add like my social media, and that's what you will see me doing here. I'm just add that subscribe button, and also you will see me go back in and add that Instagram logo so I can also display that in my banner. So I'm pretty much done with my banner now. Of course, you can add so much more, but I just wanted to show you guys this really quick video. So I'm gonna go ahead and save this banner, and I will show you how to go ahead and upload it to YouTube. So now you'll go over to YouTube, you'll go to your page and click the little icon where you upload your banner. Then you'll click that blue box in the middle and go to your files, and you'll go ahead and click on that banner that you just created in PixArt. Now as you guys can see, it's loading, and that's pretty much how you would go ahead and upload your new banner. And now my banner is changed, so this is the end of the video. I'm also going to show you guys how it will look on your mobile device, and this is how it's going to look. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.